Alright, welcome back to the Nightcap. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, get it out to your friends. Today we are making a Cosmopolitan, special request from one of our viewers from Brazil. So the Cosmopolitan is going to be 1.5 ounces of vodka. Today we're using Kettle 1, and then we'll hit the 3/4 ounces of the Quattro orange liqueur. I use orange triple sec, and then we'll do 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. Make sure there is sugar in there so it's not too tart, because we're also hitting it with 1/2 ounce of the lime juice. So let's get it on. Alrighty, so first we will go ahead with that 1.5 ounces of Kettle 1 vodka. Put that in there. This will end up being something we shake and serve in a frozen glass, which if you don't have the glass frozen, you'll be fine. So now we'll go 3/4 of an ounce here of the orange liqueur. Gives a little extra flavor in there. So pop that in. Now we're going to hit this with the 1/2 ounce of the cranberry juice. Again, make sure there's sugar in there. I went ahead and poured it in earlier in this glass. And then finally, freshly squeezed lime juice, 1/2 ounce of that. There we go. Beautiful. So, once we've done that, pour in some ice. We'll shake it up. Okay. So we're gonna let this sit right here. Get the strainer ready. Get that frozen glass right in there. Pour her in. A nice light pink color. That's what you're looking for. Okay, now we're gonna garnish this with some orange on top. There we go. Get that going. Express it. Lay it in. She's a view, Clark. Cheers.